my name is Nico Skibasky. I'm one of the co-founders of Redox. Started the company about 2 years ago now, and really we started it to focus on how do we help app developers connect their applications in the healthcare space to electronic medical records, so the data that's kept in health systems across the country. So the EHR market is highly fragmented, and the vast majority of EHRs are kept within the data center at a health system. So they're literally under lock and key in a server on-premise in the basement, somewhere like that. And so the challenge of getting access to it is one, so you typically have to VPN into their data center, which is challenging, especially when you're maintaining dozens of these things across all your different customers. But also each implementation of these EHRs are highly customized, and that customizes the interface layer. So the EHR that's used at Cleveland Clinic is highly customized to what all their providers want to do. That changes the way that data is transmitted. And then even though they're using Epic, it's different than the one that's used at Kaiser in a totally different data center with different workflows used at Kaiser. And that makes getting data out of each of these systems, two totally different problems. That's the exact problem that we try to solve for people is they can connect to Redox once, and then we manage the intricacies of what's going on in different health systems, how to connect to them, the different health system policies on what's the right way to connect and what sort of data specifications do they need sent back and forth. We manage that so then customers can have one single API endpoint for all of their health systems that they communicate with. So we are one piece of the application development spectrum, right? We don't do hosting, we don't do the really any of the other backend services other than the data transfer piece of it. So the applications that are using Redox all need to figure out where to put their application, how to build their application in a scalable way. And from that perspective, the Kinvey services and Redox services are totally complementary. Putting them together really makes an environment where an application developer can move 10 times faster because they have not only the backend as a service that Kinvey provides, but the integration as a service that Redox provides to get them the data they need and a place to put it and a place to run their application. So if you're an application creating a new tool, a new innovation in healthcare, you're going to need a place to host that application to build it on top of, and that's where Kinvey can really help you out and allow you to build it much faster. And if that application needs access to clinical data, the partnership between Redox and Kinvey just made that process way easier. We provide that data, and we do it in a way where if your application is working with Kinvey, it works much more seamlessly. We're putting on a webinar. Really excited to work with you guys to talk to CIOs, talk to health systems about how they can use these tools to deliver innovations within their organizations way faster. I'm really excited to kind of sit down and talk through the challenges in doing it on your own versus what tools are out there to make that process go smoother. So hoping to see folks on the webinar and take questions after that.